Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beach carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Maxx Sports Folding Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. This wagon is a perfect portable item for numerous different reasons. Actually, with its design, it has been created with many functional features. They comprise simple transport capability which lightens your loads, provides a large volume for carrying your gears around. This cart can be utilized to support a variety of common events, for example, taking tours on the beach or the park and visiting concerts and outdoor sporting activities. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rio Gear Deluxe Wonder Cart Wheeler Wide. This beach cart is created to handle all your gears that you have to carry on your beach. Designed to hold up to 6 beach chairs and a 48-quart cooler, and you will have the capability to carry around your friend gears easily. Its huge 10-inch inflated tires permit you to transport this cart with you on gravel, sand or any other rough terrain. The rubber tread provides a smooth mobility that will permit almost each person to cart this wagon at ease. At number 3, we have the Bahama All-Terrain Beach Cart. This is also a high-quality beach cart that has complete-size 48-quart cooler. It's a multi-purpose wagon that usually keeps your drinks cool, hold up to 4 beach chairs and carries your gears. This cargo bag is removable and insulated. It likewise has side zippered pockets for more storage space. The 10-inch wide back wheels permit for simple mobility, whereas the double front wheels direct the cart. The cart has a 100 pounds maximum loading capacity and a huge storage space of 15 cubic feet. The hand grips are likewise cushioned for a comfortable grip. At number 2, we have the Maxx Sports Heavy Duty Folding Collapsible Beach Cart Wagon. This beach wagon cart has a telescoping handlebar that delivers an easy control when maneuvering in the most terrains. This wagon can be collapsed into a carry bag in order to take small space and provide you a simple carriage. You can assemble this beach cart within few seconds and saves your time for other tasks. It's built in with a strong steel frame and huge wheels to support the item. And finally at number 1, we have the Timber Ridge Camping Folding Cart. The Timber Ridge cart, wagon have been designed with numerous different important features for customers who require a cart that is simple to store away. It is likewise a perfect choice for individuals who need a cart that is created with superior quality materials. It's one of the most multi-purpose carts, and you can utilize the cart in the beach or even in the garden. Moreover, it has huge wheels that measures 8 inches diameter for stable and comfortable user experience. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.